Imagine walking outside on what seems like an ordinary afternoon. The air feels unusually heavy. The wind suddenly becomes still. You look up, and the sky isn't blue anymore. It isn't gray, it isn't orange. It's green. A deep, eerie shade of green that seems almost impossible. Cars stop in the middle of the road. People pull out their phones. Some begin recording. Others run back inside their homes. Social media explodes with photos and videos. Some claim it's a sign of the apocalypse. Others believe it's an alien invasion. But those who know storms know something far more terrifying, because a green sky isn't just strange. It can be a warning. A warning that nature is about to unleash one of its most destructive forces. Throughout history, people have feared unusual skies. A blood-red sunset was once believed to predict war. A dark midday sky was seen as a message from the gods. And a green sky? For centuries, nobody could explain it. Many believed it was supernatural. Some thought it meant the end of the world. But the truth is both simpler and far more fascinating. To understand why the sky can turn green, we first need to understand why the sky is blue. Sunlight may look white, but it's actually made of every color in the rainbow. As sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, tiny molecules scatter the shorter blue wavelengths in every direction. That's why, on a clear day, the sky appears blue. But during a powerful thunderstorm, everything changes. Towering storm clouds begin rising high into the atmosphere. Some of these clouds can grow more than 15 kilometers tall, higher than commercial airplanes fly. Inside these massive clouds, billions of water droplets, ice crystals, and hailstones collide violently. Lightning flashes, powerful updrafts lift rain and hail over and over again. The storm becomes thicker, darker, and far more dangerous. Now imagine the sun is beginning to set. Its light has to travel through much more of Earth's atmosphere before reaching you. Most of the blue light has already been scattered away. The remaining sunlight contains more reds and yellows. As this reddish light shines into an enormous storm cloud filled with water and ice, something unusual happens. The blue light scattered inside the cloud mixes with the incoming yellow and red light.
Together, they create an eerie green glow. The storm itself isn't green, the sunlight isn't green, it's the way light interacts with the storm that creates the illusion. But here's where the mystery becomes even more interesting. Not every thunderstorm turns the sky green. In fact, most don't. Meteorologists have spent decades studying why some storms produce this effect while others never do.
One thing they've discovered is that green skies are often associated with storms containing enormous amounts of liquid water and hail. The thicker the storm, the more dramatic the effect can become. That's why many people associate green skies with giant hailstorms, and sometimes with tornadoes. This has created one of the biggest weather myths in history. Many people believe that a green sky always means a tornado is coming, but that's not actually true. A tornado can happen without a green sky, and a green sky can appear without a tornado ever forming. The real connection is that both are often produced by extremely powerful thunderstorms. If a storm is strong enough to produce giant hail, heavy rain, violent winds, and the right lighting conditions, the sky may suddenly turn green. It isn't predicting a tornado. It's warning you that the storm itself is unusually intense, and that alone is reason enough to take shelter. Some of the most famous green skies ever photographed have appeared just before devastating hailstorms swept through towns, smashing cars, destroying rooftops, and shattering windows within minutes. To the people standing beneath those skies, the color wasn't beautiful, it was unforgettable, and often it was the last warning they received before the storm arrived. In recent years, green skies have been photographed across the United States, Canada, Australia, and other parts of the world. Every time they appear, the internet fills with the same question: is this real? The answer is yes. The photographs are real. No filters, no special effects. Just nature creating one of its most unsettling displays. One of the most famous examples occurred in May 2022 across parts of South Dakota in the United States. As a powerful thunderstorm approached, the afternoon sky slowly transformed into an eerie green. Entire neighborhoods looked as if they had been transported to another planet. Streetlights reflected off green clouds. Buildings were bathed in an unnatural glow. People stopped what they were doing, pulled out their phones, and began filming. Some thought it looked beautiful. Others admitted they had never felt so uneasy in their lives, and they had good reason. Shortly afterward, the storm unleashed destructive hail, powerful winds, and dangerous weather across the region. This is why experienced storm chasers pay close attention when they see a green sky. Not because green clouds guarantee a tornado, but because they often signal an extremely powerful thunderstorm capable of producing large hail and damaging winds. Meteorologists rely on weather radar, not sky color, to identify tornadoes. A green sky is only one clue, not a prediction. If you ever see the sky turning green, the safest response isn't to stand outside taking photos. It's to check trusted weather warnings and move to a safe place if severe storms are approaching. Nature rarely gives us visual warnings this dramatic. When it does, it's worth paying attention. The strange thing is that our brains often make the moment even more frightening. Humans are naturally uncomfortable when something familiar suddenly changes. The sky has been blue for our entire lives. Seeing it turn green makes the world feel wrong. That feeling triggers curiosity, but it also triggers fear. Psychologists believe unexpected changes in our surroundings instantly put our brains on alert. Long before weather satellites existed, recognizing unusual conditions could help people survive. A strange sky often meant dangerous weather wasn't far away. In a way, that instinct still exists inside us today. Even though we understand the science, a green sky still feels unsettling, and perhaps that's why stories about it spread so quickly. Some people still connect it to supernatural events. Others believe it's evidence of climate change, alien activity, or signs of the end of the world. But the real explanation reminds us of something even more incredible. The atmosphere above our heads is constantly performing an invisible dance with sunlight. Every sunrise, every sunset, every rainbow, and every green sky exists because light is being bent, scattered, reflected, and absorbed in extraordinary ways. The next time you see an unusual sky, take a moment to appreciate it, but also respect it, because sometimes the most beautiful sights in nature are also the most dangerous. A green sky isn't the apocalypse. It isn't an alien invasion, and it isn't magic. It's a rare combination of sunlight, water, ice, and one incredibly powerful storm. A reminder that our planet can still surprise us in ways that seem almost impossible. So if you ever look up, the sky suddenly glows green, don't panic. But don't ignore it either, because while the color itself won't hurt you, the storm hiding behind it just might. The sky has always been Earth's greatest storyteller. Sometimes it paints itself blue, sometimes orange, sometimes blood red, and on very rare occasions, it turns green, just long enough to remind us how powerful nature truly is.